So I'm going to show you another case for your Nintendo Switch 2 today, and this one comes to us from Belkin. It's their gaming travel case, and this one will run you about $29.99. I'll link to it in the description down below. I picked mine up off of Amazon. At the time of this video, it comes in this kind of black gray denim look, but it also is available in green as well as, I think they call it sand. It's like a tan color. They also offer this as a larger case that includes a portable battery charger for, I think, $69.99. It's a little bit different than this one. This is just a slim case. You see the Belkin branding here, premium design. As we flip it over, it gives you some specs about the case. One thing, as we'll go through all of this in just a moment, that's unique is it has a hidden compartment for an Apple AirTag. So if you use AirTags, you can pop one in this case so you always know where your Switch is. Now, looking at this up close, again, it's that denim sort of design, so it is a fabric material. And you see some Belkin branding right here. It feels almost like an iron-on or kind of rubbery to the touch. As we take a look at the zippers, I will say along the side, it's interesting because I don't know if this is by design, but you might catch it. It kind of slants upwards on both sides, which is kind of interesting. Might drive some of you crazy, but it's worth calling out. That's what it looks like on the front. And then on the other side, you can also see how it's a little bit wavy and it kind of goes upwards. The other thing I'll call out is the back is completely flat. We get this handle, which we have seen on other cases before. This one is implemented similarly to, let's say, the TomTalk. It's got Belkin branding right there. This is just plastic that we can pull off, but it kind of ships with that just for protection's sake. You can use it as a handle, or you can pull this and then remove it, and now you have a wrist strap. So you can do either or. Let me go ahead and pop this back on for the handle, and then we'll peel this off right now just so you can see what that looks like. I don't know if this is actually metal or not. It feels kind of like plastic, but I can't really tell for certain. So either way, it looks nice. The zipper itself, it's a single zipper. And one thing I'll call out, it doesn't look to be a YKK zipper. If you're wondering why I even care about that, YKK is pretty gold standard when it comes to zippers. They last, they operate smoothly. Not a deal breaker, but you only get one zipper. There is no metal pull to that zipper, as you see here. So it's just this nylon thread with your Belkin branding right here. And as we unzip it, it seems to work fine. But you'll see the inside of the case here, and we've got a mesh pouch with some Belkin branding right here. No zippers, nothing that's going to damage your screen shields, your screen, or your Switch 2. This does appear to have a little bit of cushion to it, which is nice. So you can fit things like extra game cards in here, your Joy-Con straps, maybe a microfiber, nothing too thick. And then, as I mentioned, there's that little pouch, which is kind of unique because if you have a Apple AirTag, you can pop it in there if you so desire. If you don't, I don't know what you're going to pop in there, but just know it's there. We also have 12 game card slots, 6 on top, 6 on bottom. These are all aligned so that they insert from the top down, so you can see how that works. Elastic keeps them in place just fine. And there you go. On the other side, we've got nice, almost like a felt material. I wouldn't call it velvet. I'd say felt. And you get this all the way throughout the case. Nothing feels rough or abrasive. So really nice there. We've got these indentations for your Joy-Con. And then let me go ahead and put my Switch to sleep here. And we'll pop it right in the case as you see here. It's got a nice fit to it, although I will say that there is going to be a little bit of play when you move it from side to side. So you can see how it kind of does that. Let me go ahead and close this up. I'm going to zip it up. Closes just fine. I will call out before we continue, there is some flex to it, both on the top and the bottom. So be aware of that if you're going to be putting this in a crammed backpack, that it can kind of flex against your screen. And I can feel my screen when I press this on either side. So be aware of that. Other than that, as I mentioned, I'll put this towards the mic. I don't know if you're going to hear it here. I'm going to shake it side to side. You might hear the switch moving. And then the same thing goes if we flip it upside down. So I can feel it more so side to side than up and down. Why do I call that out? Again, as a travel case, if you're going to be moving around with this a lot, throwing it in a backpack or a bag, it's probably going to be fine, but it's worth calling out. So there you have it. This is Belkin's offering is their gaming travel case for the Nintendo Switch 2. It is available now. I'll link to it in the description of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Is this one for you? Are you using a different case perchance? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.